Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to switch off live caption on Android. Now live caption is a feature that automatically generates caption under the videos that you play, and that can be sometimes annoying, so let's go ahead and see how to turn it off. First we open settings. On the top we find the search bar, we tap on it and then we type show captions. Now keep in mind, in some phones you might find the feature under live captions, not show captions. So if you don't find it when you search for show captions, make sure you try searching for live captions. Now that we got that out of the way, let's carry on. So yeah, after searching for that, we tap on it and then here it is. We find the feature turned on right here. All you gotta do to turn it off is to tap the toggle next to show captions. Just like that, you have turned off live captions on Android. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and comment down below. Also subscribe for the channel to future solutions for problems like these, and thanks for watching.